Welcome to Cisco Packet Tracer 5.3.7.2, configuring a Cisco router as a DHCP server. The objective for this activity is to configure the customer Cisco 1841 ISR as a DHCP server. The customer has several workstations that need to be automatically configured with IP addresses on the local subnet and appropriate DHCP options to allow access to the internet. The DHCP pool will use the 192.168.1.0 network, but the first 49 addresses are excluded. The default gateway and DNS server also need to be configured as 192.168.1.1 and 192.168.1.10. So first we're going to start off by configuring the DHCP service. So from the customer workstation, I'm going to use a console cable and the terminal emulation software to connect to the console of the customer Cisco 1841 ISR. So go to connections on the bottom left, click the console cable, connect from customer workstation to the customer router. Now I'm going to log into the console of the Cisco 1841 ISR and enter global configuration mode. First. Okay, so before creating a DHCP pool, I'm going to configure the addresses that are excluded. The range is from 192.168.1.1 to 192.168.1.49. So I'll just type in IP DHCP excluded address 192.168.1.1, 192.168.1.49. Okay, so now I am going to create a DHCP pool called pool 1. So I'll type in IP DHCP pool 1. And now we'll define the network address range for the DHCP pool. So you just type in network 192.168.1.0, 255.255.255.0 for the subnet mask, hit enter. And now we'll define the DNS server as 192.168.1.10. So you just type in DNS hyphen server 192.168.1.10. Okay, we'll define the default gateway. So default router 192.168.1.1. And now we'll add exclusion range of 192.168.1.1 to 192.168.1.49 for the DHCP pool. So I'll hit exit, and then IP DHCP excluded address 192.168.1.1, 192.168.1.49, enter. Now I'm going to exit the terminal. Okay, now we'll verify the DHCP configuration. So from the customer workstation, I'm going to open command prompt. And I'm going to type ipconfig release to release the current IP address. Then I'll type in ipconfig/renew to request a new IP address on the local network. And that's it for this activity.